Hello everyone, hope that all of you are well and having a good time. I'm also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. So today in this video, I would like to share my 3 sources of happiness with all of you. And I hope you will enjoy this video as much as I do. Although now I am in a public place, so that's why I'm feeling some nervousness. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into my happiness and let's tell you why I am so happy today. Okay, so my first happiness is today my pre-test exam has finished. So that's why I'm so happy. In the morning time when I was returning home from my college, that time I realized I should go somewhere and share my happiness with all my audience, to all my well wishers. So that's the reason why now I am here. Okay, the environment here is really wonderful. Okay, so back of me the sun is slowly going down, so it's really a fantastic environment here, and so many people also come here to enjoy their afternoon here. Okay, so this is my first happiness, and let's tell you my second happiness. My second happiness is so special. Last night when I was studying for my chemistry exam, today I had my chemistry exam in my college. And while I was doing my study, that time my mother was sitting beside me, and I was telling her if I had a laptop, I could teach 5 or 6 students online at times, which will save my time. Nowadays I'm teaching some students, but it's really difficult for me to teach them one by one. It takes long hours, and I sometimes I feel so sometimes I feel exhausted about it. So that's why I was telling my mother that. But this is not something that I told my mother yesterday. I had been telling to all my family members for a long time, like previous 2 or 3 months. But it's really difficult for them to afford that much money because a laptop is quite expensive. However, later my mother gave me a good suggestion, or like gave me a good idea. She told me, Porosh, what if we get 30,000 loan for you from an NGO or like from a bank? And I was I thought about that, and I thought it's not a bad idea, as I am teaching some students, so it will not be very hard for me to pay the money later as a monthly installments. So that's why I told my mother, okay mom, I'm agree with your plan, because it's really a good plan, because I need a laptop now as I'm learning English and as I'm teaching some students online. So it's really helpful for me, and I have some plan. I will make so many good videos, and laptop is very important for edit my videos. Nowadays I'm making video with my own mobile phone, and I don't edit that much my video. Okay, but I hope if I buy a laptop, then I will edit my video in a good way, so that people can attract on my video, and they can feel something after watching my video. Okay, so this is my second happiness, and I hope within a very short time I will go to Dhaka, and then I will buy a laptop for me. And I'm so excited. My birthday is coming, so my mother told me yesterday that it will be my birthday gift from my family. So I'm really happy now. Okay, this is my second happiness. And my third happiness is tomorrow is Friday. I mean, the day after tomorrow I will go to Dhaka, because I already saved some money from my tuition for buying a new gimbal and for buying a new microphone for my making video. Nowadays I'm making video randomly, and sometimes my mobile phone doesn't support me that much. Sometimes the voice quality is not good, so that's why I need a laptop, I need a microphone. And I hope Saturday I will go to Dhaka, and then I will buy a new gimbal, and gimbal will help me to make more smoother, more clear video. So I'm really having a good time now. Okay, so that's why now I am here, and now I'm sharing my happiness. Although now I'm not feeling nervous, because I already got a good start, and now I'm just continuing my video. And that have been I have been doing this for a long time. I always try to make video in this type of place, so that I can learn something, like how to make video in a public place. Most of the people fears this, and I don't know why, but like, yeah, of course, if you don't feel nervous when you are making this type of place, you are not a human being. You may become from another world. Okay, but okay, so now I'm really happy, and now I'm not feeling nervous. That's the most important thing. It has been 5 minutes I'm recording this video. So yes, some women are also available, and they, some people are observing me, that what I'm doing here, I'm not doing anything wrong here. Even I'm not committing any crime here. I'm just trying to record a video in English, and I'm just sharing my happiness with all my audience. Okay, so that's the thing. And there are some boys are also available, everyone just noticing me what I'm doing here. It's something that I always witness when I try to make video in public places. Okay, so this is the thing, and I'm really having a good time here today. Although I have some online classes in the evening time, I have 3 online classes today, and I hope I will do them. And like today I don't have any academic studies, so that's why I have some time in the evening time. I will try to listen some English podcast or like watch some English videos. So I'm so excited about all my stuffs. I'm going to buy a new laptop. My birthday is coming, and I'm going to buy new gimbal, new microphone. So all together, I'm having a good time. Really, really a fantastic time I am passing, and I'm so glad. I'm so delighted. I'm so pleased with all the things, and I hope God will bless me, and I will make many more videos, and I will encourage people for learning English. So yeah, this is the thing. Okay, and I should thanks to my mother. I should thanks to my all my family members, because the way they are helping me from the very beginning of my journey, it's really remarkable, and the credit must goes to them. Okay, so that's why I'm so excited. And last night I told my mother that, Mom, one day I will do so many good things, and I will get so many good things for you, for our family. And they are very happy, because they also seeing me that what I am actually doing nowadays, the hard work that I am doing. Yes, so that's all for now. And okay, but before finishing this video, let me tell you something about this beautiful place. This is called Sheikh Russell Nagar Park. From this is the very place where I make so many videos already, and there are some boys. They are just maybe they have some interest about me. So hey, brother, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yes, I'm also doing great. Oh my God, this boy can speak English. Okay, so what's your father name? Please just keep continuing. Come here. What's your father name?
Muhammad Abdul Munna.
And what's your mother name?
Muhammad Akila.
Aklima. And so, are you happy after coming here? It's such a good place, right? It's a beautiful place. Yes, such a beautiful place. And there are 2 boys are also available. So yeah, that's feeling fantastic. Well, thank you so much, brother, for come here. Okay, so that's the thing. I'm so happy now, because just look at their curiosity about me. It's remarkable. It's fantastic. It's amazing. And the place is eye-catching. So many people are there, and they are just having their beautiful time. They are spending their time with their nearest and dearest one. Okay, so that's all for now. I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. It was such an amazing video for me, and I hope you will watch this video and you will learn something from my video. Okay, so have a great day.